Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Salesforce to Dropbox in 2024. So integrating Salesforce with Dropbox allows you to streamline document management and also improve collaboration across your teams. So in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up this integration and I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide of it. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave, and for you, of course, you can use whatever other browser you have. Once you open that browser, you'll need to go and open both Salesforce and Dropbox. So just go to the URL section, just type salesforce.com and hit the enter button, open a new tab and go to dropbox.com and hit the enter button again. So make sure to log in into both your Salesforce accounts and Dropbox accounts. Of course, if you have like a different language, you can just hover this icon in here, go to all other countries, and the language should be changed. So in Dropbox, you'll have to log in Salesforce, you'll have to log in into your account. If you don't have an account in any of them, just go and create an account. So just go and do the same. Of course, once you log in, make sure to choose like Salesforce, not Marketing Cloud. You can, of course, go and do that, but it's not what we want. So here in Dropbox, of course, as we said, we'll need to log in into an account. If you have an account, it's good login into it. You can use Google or Apple. If you don't have an account, of course, you'll need to go and click on Get Started to create a new account. As you can see, they have multiple plans. So they have the Plus, Essential, Business, and a Business Plus. And they have even here the Basic, which is free. You'll get 2 gigabytes of store and share your files. So for me, I'll just go and do that. I'll use Google in here to, as you can see, because it will share my name, email address, profile picture, all the information that I have to enter manually. Google will do it for me. Of course, you can check just the privacy policy and terms of service. If you agree to it, click on continue or confirm. As you can see, so agree and sign up, of course, or sign in. So once you do so, you'll have to do the same as again with Salesforce. For me, I don't have a Salesforce account, so I'll not be able to do that specifically here. But yeah, it's up to you. So as you can see, once you are here, once you logged in or to create your account, for me, I just created the account. So as you can see, try out the best of Dropbox for free. We'll remind you we will have a few days left for your trial. Of course, you can choose here multiple trials. An example for personal, you'll get 2,000 gigabytes of encrypted cloud storage, free up your hard drive automatically, and a lot of other information. For personal example, you get those. For this, you'll get those example. So it's up to you. Of course, you can, as an example, and check those options if you didn't want it or something like that, whatever suits you. For me, as an example, I don't want any of those, so I will not try for free. Of course, for you can try it for free, like for free for 30 days. You don't have to enter like your credit card, I guess, or something like that. Let's just, of course, choose. Let's just click on try. Yeah, of course, you'll have to enter your card, it seems. So I'll just go back. I just go and click on continue with 2 gigabytes of Dropbox. And as you can see, welcome here. So what are you going to use that for? An example, I'll just do maybe school or something like that. So Dropbox is faster on desktop. Of course, you can install it if you don't, if you want to. If you don't, just click on skip at the bottom and you should find yourself right here. So once you are here, of course, yeah, I don't want this. So once you are here, of course, now you have your account like ready to be connected to your Salesforce. So for me, because I don't like have Salesforce accounts, I'll not be able to show you exactly how, but basically I'll just go and open a new tab. I'll access an article provided by Dropbox. As you can see, Help Center, Dropbox for Salesforce admin setup. Just go and click on that, as you can see, and they'll show you basically how to set up and connect it to each other. So you'll need to install Dropbox for Salesforce. Basically, as simple as that, just click on it as an example, and basically this should take you like to Salesforce, because normally what you should do is simply to connect Salesforce to Dropbox, we will use like Dropbox or Salesforce app. Once you log into your Salesforce account, and you'll have to navigate into App Exchange. You basically, once you navigate there, once you click on there, search for Dropbox for Salesforce, and you'll find it. Just install the app and follow the prompt to complete installation. After it's installed, of course, the app, you can go to Salesforce Setup menu and find Dropbox in the app launcher. Click on settings to configure like the integration, and you'll need to connect, for example, your Dropbox account by entering your Dropbox credentials, or even if you already like logged into Dropbox, you don't have to enter anything. You have to click on continue and allow. Then you'll have to follow the on-screen like instructions to link your Dropbox folders and files to Salesforce. So whatever you have in here will be right away connected and if you can get them from your Salesforce right away if your team want them or something like that. Once connected, of course, you can start syncing files between Salesforce and Dropbox, which you can choose which Salesforce records or folders you want to sync with Dropbox. As also, like to save something in Dropbox right away. And yeah, like you can set up some mapping to ensure data files in Salesforce align with folders in Dropbox. This synchronization, of course, will help you maintain like organized and accessible documents across both platforms. And even for your teams, it will be easier. And with like Salesforce and Dropbox integrated, you can like attach some Dropbox files directly to Salesforce records. For example, associate customer contact, or maybe some project documents with Salesforce accounts or opportunities example. And this seamless integration enhanced like collaboration and document management within your organization and team. And as an example, if you encounter any issues during the integration process, there's a lot of common like troubleshooting tips. You'll find them also in the help center, of course, of Dropbox and also Salesforce. You can double check, of course, your Dropbox credentials. Example, if you're not logged in yet, ensure that you have granted the necessary permissions and you allow it, not deny it. Verify that your Salesforce setup. Make sure all the required fields are mapped correctly. Make sure, of course, you're free. Like, so if you go here and try it for free, as example, make sure if you're in the free plan, if you just click on try it for free, your 30 days free trial is not ended yet. If the problem, of course, persists, you can simply visit the Dropbox for Salesforce support page, which is this one, or contact even their customer support for assistance right away. And you should be from there good to go as example. So you can follow the steps as we said, like it's the same step that I told you about. So once you install it, you can connect it and share it, share the document folder. You can go to Dropbox for Salesforce example, or just go and click on it. As you can see, so the app exchange will be something like that. So you can simply just go and click on get it for now or get it now. Of course, for me, they'll tell me to log in into the account. Oh, I can continue as a guest. It will be like great if I can continue as a gift as a guest. So okay, I'll just go here and fill up my information. Example, okay, I'll just fill up those informations here. Email, choose this. Role, why not this? I'll just do this. And where is like that? So I'll just choose this here. Yeah, why not? Username. So this postal code in United States, I'll just go here and choose United States. States, I guess it was Fort Texas. Yeah, it was Fort Texas. For this postal code, username as example. I'll just use, I don't know, this one. Why not? But this cannot be used as a username. I guess should be good. Of course, make sure to agree to that. Enter unique, like, okay, what was the example there? At company.sandbox. So text at company as example dot sandbox. Of course, I'll just change this into this, and it should be good to go. Yeah, agree. Then click on sign me up, and let's see if it will do something. So anyway, as we said before, like all you need to do is just go and click on get this now, and you should be like good to go, like very easily. And of course, you can follow like the steps, other steps that's told here. Very simple, basically. So just go back, yeah, to this page. As you can see, you can install the production, etc. Just follow this, and you should be good to go. You can even see how to install it if you want to, and how to update it. Yeah. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.